What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video here. So I'm just gonna be directly talking to you guys. Also addressing YouTubers as well. I give advice every now and then, on just like doing YouTube, making videos, and how to deal with that life culture, because honestly, it is a little bit different than just living a basic life. Now, in no means am I saying that like YouTubers are put up on this pedestal and we're the grandest thing ever. It's nothing like that. But being a YouTuber, you kind of put yourself out there, is what I'm trying to say. So you're being viewed and judged by a lot of people who come across your videos, and watch your videos and listen to what you have to say, and they hang on every word that you say. You're being judged right off the bat. So the chances of you running into what they call internet trolls is a lot greater than if you were just like posting a picture on Instagram or something, Let me just say this to a lot of YouTubers that are coming up, or new YouTubers that are coming in. You gotta take the good with the bad. There is no magic that could be applied to just keep your channel troll free. It's going to happen. You're going to run across people that have nothing better to do than to talk some smack about you and try to get a reaction out of you and say some real mean, hurtful things. And in this generation, that's become popular. That's what people do. And the interesting fact, my brother was talking to me about this. I told him about how, certain people got trolled and what happens. And, he always asks us questions. Why do people troll? Why do they do that? What did they find out of it? And, there really is no rhyme or reason to it, We do know, and I'll say we do know, because people tend to say hurtful things, and they know that there's no immediate repercussions. One, they hide behind a fake name, obviously. And two, they know that you're not going to show up at their house and confront them. Right, because they're protected and they're far, far away. So for them, they feel like they can just say whatever they want to say, and they just feel, I guess, some sort of empowerment by doing it, even though it's a real disgusting thing to do. But as a YouTuber, you gotta take the bad with the good. And so there's two things you could do regarding that. One is you could completely ignore it, like I do, or two, you can have your comments screened. What I mean by that is that there's an option on YouTube that allows you to hold every comment that is made on your videos, and then by doing so, you have to screen the comment and approve it if you want it shown on your channel. Now that is a lot of time consumption right there, because you got to screen every comment, and it can get tiresome, especially when you're uploading videos daily. You're gonna get a lot of comments from your new video and from your previous videos that you're gonna have to screen and approve. So now, for tech tubers, it's a little bit different when you want to say trolling versus someone just having an opinion. There are people who are dead set and are fanboys and whatnot, and you're going to deal with them no matter what, especially if you're going to get in here and start talking about mobile technology. And the thing about that is that everyone's got a different opinion. And one of the most famous quotes, opinions are like assholes and everybody's got one. You have to kind of relax a little bit on that. People are going to blow your comment up and say, oh, the Pixel is trash and blah, 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 right? And you may like the Pixel and they don't. But it doesn't mean that you can't make videos about the Pixel. It doesn't mean that everyone feels the exact same as that one person who left that comment. That's just that person's opinion. And you may try to debate them on it and show them something that you think is cool or that is worth money. But they're dead set in their ways if they're going to be, Samsung warriors and be like, Samsung all the way, or heartburn, iPhone all the way, or whatever. Like, people have their preferences. You may lead a horse to water, but you can't force it to drink. You can show everyone every device, Chinese manufactured devices, cheap but powerful. You can show them every device under the sun. It's not going to change what their opinion is, right? And that is the whole point of being a tech tuber, is that you give information on available options for everybody out there to take a look at. But it's up to them if they want to take a look at it or not. And it's up to them if they agree with you or if they disagree with you. And it's up to them if they want to try it out or not try it out. I mean, that's just what it is. Um, recently I Tech You Out guy, he had an episode. I made a personal video addressing him, but this one's just more for, open to anyone out there who may be going through the same things. Don't let it beat you down like that, where you feel like that you're not accomplishing anything. Because you will have people who agree with you, and you will have people who disagree with you, and that's just it at the end of the day. Not everyone is going to agree with you. Not everybody is going to like you, and that's totally fine. You have to be okay with that. If not, you're always going to be stressed out, and then you're going to get burned out from doing YouTube, and you'll move on to something else. Like me, I've been doing this since 2011. I have my ups and my downs. I'm not growing as fast as other people that I know has grown. Those things don't get me down. People will disagree with the things that I say. People don't look at the same things that I see, or people will tend to just be like, I'm more about unboxing videos than I am about mobile news, or I'm more about specifications than I am about user experience. Like, there's always going to be disagreements, but you have to live with that, because all you're really doing as a YouTuber is presenting. That's it, right? You're not really forcefully changing anybody's mind. It's up to them if they want to consider what you're offering as far as information and knowledge, if they want to take that from you. If they just want to debate you, but like debate you in a sense of presenting a different way of looking at something and not really being, ugly and disgusting about it, that should be totally fine. You should never shut someone down just because they think differently. All in all, basically, YouTube is really supposed to just be like a spot for people to go to get some real information, right? And for me, it's fun. It's fun to do these videos. And so with that, I'm going to leave you guys to your own thoughts. But hopefully, what I said in this video will help somebody out there who may be going through the same things. And if you guys enjoyed what I had to say, you guys know what to do. And I'll talk to y'all later.